What's up, guys? Today we're here with me, Nate, and Kura. Today we're going to show you how to make an edible Rubik's Cube. They're just 4 marshmallows and Sour Patch Kids. So the first thing you want to do is you want to stick the marshmallows apart. Corey, you want to do these two?
Sure.
So you have to stick them apart.
I'm the stupidest girl in the world. I'm just kidding. It's a butt made out of marshmallows.
Okay, I'm done squishing mine together. Mine looks like this. So I have both sides of the Rubik's Cube done. And then if you want to make more, and then you have to stretch it out to make more room, so that you can put.
Wait, this is very hard.
You want me to do that for you?
Yes.
It sort of is a little bit hard.
Yeah, for sure.
Right? There you go. So we have our two things. Keep squishing them together so it doesn't break apart. Then you
They're sticking to my fingers. I hate that.
Mine fell apart.
Honey, I think this side is the stickiest, so then go like that.
Yeah.
It's Marshmallow Superman.
Alright, go on, give me that. Alright, now you're gonna put your two things like this, and you're gonna squish them together. So you have to put them together, and then you have to squeeze them. So really, it doesn't matter if they're gonna fall apart right now. I don't know why Corey's left. So open your Sour Patch Kids. And then it doesn't have to be the exact same colors as a Rubik's Cube. You can do any colors you want. So I'm going to take mine and I'm going to put them on here and just squish them like that. And make sure you watch to the end of the video, and we're going to be eating them. Then you can do another one there. And like I said, it doesn't have to be the colors of a Rubik's Cube. It can be any colors you want.
I'm not showing the Sour Patch Kids.
And then, so I have this.
And I'm going to do green and red. Colors of the rainbow.
So I'm going to just squeeze. And then I'm going to take another one and put it sideways like this. Okay, you can eat one. And you're just going to keep squishing. But you know what? I'm going to take it apart. And I'm going to, on the squeeze.
He just said that he's done it. But he's done it. Take it apart.
Then I'm going to put it, so on the sticky side, I'm going to do it. It sticks much better.
There's hair on this.
So right now, I have this.
Finally, the fan is off.
And then, I'm going to take it over. And I'm going to do that on the other side. So that's 1, 2. Is yours still on the not squishy side?
Yes.
And
See, Nate?
there's a blue one, right? Or no, green one, right here.
My green one is going to be upside down, so he's going to fall. And now it's right side up.
I gotta squish.
Yeah.
Oh. like good Sour Patch Kids.
Yep. Indeed. Why is this so hard?
Because yours is on the unsquishy side.
Wait, is this supposed to be on the squishy side?
No, on the sticky side. It's supposed to be on the sticky side so that you can stick it easily. Ooh, I haven't done a yellow one yet. Now I'm gonna squish it together like that.
Why is this not working?
Maybe you're just not doing it right, Cora. See, because mine's looking like that.
And guess what? Also, we're doing this inside the garage.
See, look at, I just have to put one more.
Finally.
See, and now mine's done. So now
Yay,
I'm just gonna keep
blue.
squishing it together,
Wow.
and then they stick on, and mine's ready. Nope.
I need help, Nate. Why is this so hard?
Cora, look at mine. See, so you put that.
I need to get that blue
I'm just gonna
one.
put it in here. See? Oh, you're actually doing really good.
I'm just gonna eat a little
See?
blue
So see how you're done with these? Now you have to squish. See, now they're sticking on. Now, you do the other side. Do that. You have to keep squishing it, Cora.
And also, he's 8 and a half. And I'm gonna be
Can you stop talking, please?
Yes.
You're talking. You're a talkie tat. Alright, Cora. Now, put 3 Sour Patch Kids on this side.
Squish.
Don't take it out of my hands.
Oh my God,
I'm trying to help you. Cora, okay, now put 3 Sour Patch Kids on. I'll just even... Have you ate like half the bag?
No.
I just got a half one.
Oh, Woogie. I do not know why I just did that. Me, Sour Patch Quids. I don't know why I said quids.
Alright, so Cora right now is looking like that. And like that. So she just needs one more on this side. Then we have to squeeze. And I'll just put this on for you. Yeah. Why do you have to change? Why did you not change yours like I did?
I can't wait to eat my stuff.
Cora, you just messed yours up a whole lot because you didn't do it like I did.
You want the rest, Nate?
Guys, so I just finished Cora's for her. And now we're gonna eat ours. So here you go, Cora. 3, 2, 1. Mmm.
So good.
It's like sweet and sour at the same time.
Yeah. Guys, we had Universal Yums yesterday.
Can you stop talking?
For dessert.
I'm just gonna eat the rest of it now. This is so good. Bye, Cora. I'll eat yours for you. Okay.
How fast was I?
What 5? You're like 5 out of 10.
Comment down below how fast was I.
It's a weird combination though.
Yeah.
Take a shot at the kids.
It's a giant Sour Patch Kid coming for you.
Well, that wraps up today's video. Comment down below what edible food we should make next. See you guys.